In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add bullet points to a product page on Shopify. This is an essential skill for any aspiring online seller who wants their product descriptions to be well-organized and easy to read. We will delve into the process, guiding you each step of the way. So, let's get started. We kick things off by navigating to the official Shopify website. Once you're there, you must sign in to get access to your online store's backend. Your credentials will direct you straight into Shopify's admin dashboard. This is the command center of your online store. It is where you can manage products, track orders, add new functionalities, and even change the look and feel of your website. Now, you'll need to direct your attention to the Products section. This category lies in the menu panel on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Once you click on it, you will see a list of the products currently available in your online store. At this point, it's time to select the specific product to which you want to add bullet points. Click on the product, and a new product editor page will appear, where you can change information like price, quantity, images, and more importantly, the description. Speaking of descriptions, locate the text field designated for the product description. This is where the magic happens, where you craft compelling narratives about your products to persuade potential buyers. Position your cursor exactly where you want the bullet points to appear, as this is very critical for the overall layout. Next, your eyes should spot an icon in the formatting toolbar that represents a bulleted list. This icon looks like 3 horizontal lines, each starting with a solid circle at the beginning. Clicking this icon will initiate the process of adding bullet points to your description. Now it's time to flesh out the details of your products or provide relevant information. After clicking the bulleted list icon, go ahead and type your first bullet point text. This could be a unique feature, some specification, or other details you figure customers should know. Once you're done with the first bullet point, hit the Enter key to start another bullet. Repeat this process for as many bullet points as you need. Remember, concise yet detailed bullet points serve best to keep customers engaged. Before finalizing this process, always make sure to preview your changes. This will give you a snapshot of how your live product page will look with the added bullet points. If you're satisfied with your work, you can now save the changes. Indeed, the process of saving your changes is as simple as just clicking the Save button found at the top or bottom of the page. After clicking this button, your live product page is updated to display your tidy, bullet-pointed descriptions. This simple step can have a significant impact on visual appeal, readability, and ultimately, customer conversion. And there you have it. You've learned how to add bullet points to your product page on Shopify. This skill will help you to organize product information effectively and ultimately boost your online sales. Thank you for following along and happy selling.